What's up, guys? This is Jake, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Cascade Platinum dishwasher detergent. Now, I've gone from using regular dishwasher detergent, which I think I wasted a little bit of money because these things have saved me a lot when I switched over to pods. Then I've tried maybe 2 or 3 different, I think this is the 3rd different type of pod that I've tried, and at this point, this is the one that I'm landing on. I think the Cascade Platinum are the best I've used, and they're not particularly close. I think the value on them is really good. They last a pretty good long time, right? Like this pack right here, you can see up at the top, is 62 of these pods. If you're not familiar with the pod before, you can see it right here. You set that into the little opening in your dishwasher, and it does everything for you. So I'm a big fan of switching from regular detergent to pods, and of the pods I've tried, this has by far been my favorite. So you'll see here, it is Cascade Platinum. The scent, I actually don't know what other scents they have. I really like this one, so I wouldn't, honestly, I typically, with most things, I like to try different scents. I just really like this one, so I don't want to try a different one. So I'm a big fan of the fresh scent. If they have other ones, maybe they're worth a try for you, but I think this is a really good one. 50% more cleaning power, better clean in half the time. One of the big things I noticed about this, now I don't understand why it feels like this cleans so much better than whatever pod I was using before. I won't name that pod. But it seems like my dishes are significantly cleaner than it was with the other one. I really don't know what causes that. I don't know what about this detergent is actually different that causes it to clean better, but it absolutely has for me. Again, I won't try to explain that because I don't know why, but I just know it has. So I want you to be able to see all of these details in case you want to pause the video and take a look at this. You see it only takes 1 per load. You load it into the little pull out or whatever you have for your dishwasher, and then it cleans. Now when it comes to saving water and energy, I'm not super knowledgeable there. I'll believe them if that's what they say it does. Again, at the end of the day for me, it's just an issue of these things save me money as opposed to using too much of a regular detergent. And the smell and how clean these have got my dishes, I have literally no complaints about the Cascade Platinum. I won't try other stuff because at this point I'm super pleased with these. So if you're looking for dishwasher detergent pods, I'm going to highly recommend just going with this one. I think it's the safest play, good value, and I don't think you're going to regret it.